Welcome to the ESP32 servo setup video. The reason I love servo motors rather than the DC motors is that they move according to how we specify their code. In this tutorial, I'm going to use MG996R servo motor, which is one of the best servo motors out there compared to the regular blue colored plastic DC servo motors. First, let's set up the gear. Now let's do the setup. On the MG996R servo motor, we have 3 wires: ground, red and orange. Orange wire is supposed to be connected with the GPIO 18 PWM pin of ESP32, whereas the brown and red wire are ground and VCC respectively. Now let's open Arduino IDE. Make sure you have the ESP32 setup. If you don't have, just copy the first link in the description and paste it in the preferences in the file tab. Now go to Library Manager and search for ESP32 servo. The first library you see, make sure to install that. I already have it installed. Just click on the install button to get it installed. Now let's write down the code. First, include the necessary library, that is ESP32 servo, the one that we installed now. Now the first step is to create an object of servo. You can name it anything you like. In this case, I have named this object as myservo. And I will call this object as myservo.attach if I need to call it somewhere in the code. After defining the object, make sure you define the pin. In this case, I've used GPIO 18, a PWM pin on my ESP32. You can use any pin that has a PWM availability. After defining the pin, it is time for the void setup. In the loop, we are going to define how the servo motor moves or rotates. So initially, if we assume that it is at angle 0, it's going to move all the way up to 120 degrees because MG996R moves up to 120 degrees maximum. And in the loop, we also define how quickly we want that servo to be moved. For example, in this case, I have defined the angle to move 5 degrees plus equals to 5. I've added a delay of 30. Again, you also need to write again a for loop for the reverse backward movement. Now let's have a look at the output. You can see my servo motor rotates from 0 to 120 and then from 120 degrees back to 0 degrees. So thank you so much guys for watching. Like and subscribe the channel.